In the first step of part 2, we're going to start by setting up our meteor prefabs and getting them to spawn along the top portion of our game. So to do that, let's go to the sprites folder where we have 3 different meteors to choose from. So to set it up, we'll start by dragging one of them up to our scene. Now from here, we're going to add 2 things to our meteor, which the first thing we're going to add is going to be a rigid body 2D. On this rigid body, we'll make sure that we first set the body type from dynamic to kinematic. That way it reacts only to the script and not to actual gravity. The second thing that we're going to do is change the rotation by freezing it. Now let's go ahead and add in a circle collider as well. And on this particular circle collider, we're going to make it a trigger. And the last component that we're going to add to this meteor is going to be a script. And we'll name it Meteor Move. Back in our Meteor Move script, here's how we'll set it up. We'll start by adding 2 variables, one public variable to represent our meteor speed, and then we'll also add another variable to represent where is our out of bounds going to be. If I move the meteor down to where I want it to disappear, we'll see that it has a Y value of about -6, rounding that up to -7. So for me, out of bounds inside of my script is going to be -7. Inside of the update, we'll do a transform.translate where we will move the meteors down using vector2.down times time.delta time and the meteor speed. Now let's set some logic for what happens if we go out of bounds. So let's start with an if statement where if our Y position is less than out of bounds, then we want to destroy the game object. And if you haven't done so already out of habit, attach that script to your meteor and it should fall straight down. Don't forget to take your meteor, turn it into a prefab, and then once you do, you can delete it out of the scene.